In Shape's mortgage platform, it's really easy to collaborate and work in teams. First and foremost, oftentimes one team member might be handling certain aspects of the loan transaction while another may be handling other aspects. Beyond customized prioritized views for those different departments, we also have other ways in which you can collaborate and ensure you're staying on task. For example, here in the notes area, you can see here that I've mentioned Brooke in a note. I've also mentioned Brooke in tasks. I'm actually currently in the LOA view. Depending on your role, you can actually have different views. So as a loan officer, I'd start here with lead details and I have my certain set of tabs. If I was an LOA, I would have a different set of tabs that go across my screen. Similarly, if I go to checklists here, I have a borrower checklist that I can see who did what, and then below I also have an LOA checklist. Checklists are a great way to templatize tasks and also automate actions when a checkmark has been completed. For example, when you check off review loan application, we can automate an email, text message, notification, etc. Beyond these more static checklists here, we can also automate tasks based on the person's situation. And we do that through automated drip campaigns. To give you a perfect example, here's a task automation drip campaign set up to start off of application completed. And over the course of 8 days, there's going to be 3 tasks that automatically assigned to that particular contact record. These can be assigned to just the standard loan originator. They can be assigned to the loan originator and the LOA combined, or it can just be assigned to the LOA specifically. In addition to that, you can also add people to tasks as you go. For example, on if Brooke was working this, she could mention me in the task saying this borrower is on the line of credit auth approval. Can you take a look at the credit report and let me know how to proceed? This is just an example of how you can @mention and work with people within tasks. When you do that, this task will automatically show up for both individuals on their task manager. We have both a board view and a list view depending on your preferences. And again, you also have your prioritized views, which will tee up which specific contact records you need to be in touch with. If you have any questions on task management, views, and specific department roles, let us know and we're happy to help.